What do you do when a girl ignores you? How do you respond? You chase after her? Do you keep trying to talk to her? Or do you just let her be? This is a very common question that I get asked all the time by guys who are struggling with girls. So today, I'm gonna answer that question once and for all, and explain to you how to deal with any girl that decides to ignore you. First of all, when a woman ignores you, there can be many different reasons why she is doing so. She could be playing hard to get. She could not like you at all. She could just be busy, or she might be shy. But no matter what the reason is, there are some things that you should never do when a girl ignores you. For example, do not chase after her and try to talk to her more. If a girl does not want to talk to you, then respect her wishes and leave her alone. If you keep chasing after her, it will only make things worse. It will make you look needy and desperate, and it will also push her further away from you. Also, do not take it personally if a girl ignores you. It doesn't mean that you're not attractive or that you have something wrong with you. There can be many different reasons why she is ignoring you, and it's probably not personal. So don't take it to heart. If you want to know how to destroy a girl's ego, then stay tuned until the end of this video, because that is where I'm going to tell you exactly how to do that. Before we go into it, make sure you subscribe for more videos just like this one. Now let's get back to the video. The first step on how to deal with a girl that ignores you is to make sure that you do and take it personally. Like I said before, there can be many different reasons why she is ignoring you, and it's probably not personal. So don't take it to heart and don't let it get to you. Stay calm and relaxed and just let her be. Next, if she still continues to ignore you, then the next step is to make her jealous. Now this might sound like a bit of a petty thing to do, but trust me, it works. Women are very visual creatures, and they are very attracted to what they see. So if you can make her see that there are other men out there that are interested in you, she will definitely take notice. And even if she doesn't show it, she will definitely get a little bit jealous. There are two ways that you can make a girl jealous. The first way is by talking to other girls. This is a bit of a risky move, but if you do it correctly, it can work out very well for you. The second way is by posting pictures of yourself with other girls on social media. This is a bit of a safer way to make a girl jealous, but it can still be very effective. Just make sure that you're not actually doing anything inappropriate in the pictures, because you don't want to give people the wrong idea. The next step is to stop giving her attention. If a girl is ignoring you, the best thing to do is to simply stop giving her attention. This might sound counterintuitive, but it works. By giving her attention, you only reinforcing the fact that you like her and that you want her to like you back. If you stop giving her attention, it will make her realize that she's losing your attention, just something that most girls crave. When you stop giving her attention, make sure that you do it in a respectful way. Don't be rude or mean to her, because that will only make things worse. Just be polite and distant, and she'll come around eventually. The next step is to let her come to you. Now this is where you really start to destroy her ego and make her regret ignoring you in the first place. When you let her come to you, it shows her that you're not desperate for her attention, and that you do need her to validate your worth. This will make her realize that she made a mistake by ignoring you, and she'll come crawling back to you. When this happens, don't be too quick to forgive her. Make sure that she knows that she did something wrong and that she needs to earn your forgiveness. Once she does that, then you can move forward and continue building your relationship with her. The next step is to walk away if she's still ignoring you. If a girl is ignoring you and none of the above steps are working, then the best thing to do is to simply walk away. Don't look back or try to make things work. Just walk away and move on to the next girl. There is plenty of fish in the sea, and there is no need to waste your time on a girl who does and deserve it. In conclusion, if a girl ignores you, the best thing to do is to not take it personally. Make her jealous. Stop giving her attention. Let her come to you, and finally walk away if she still ignores you. By following these steps, you will be able to handle the situation with grace and dignity, and you'll be able to move on with your life without letting this girl bring you down. Remember, you are a king, and you deserve to be treated like one. Don't settle for less. Now I want to hear from you. What do you do when a girl ignores you? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about how to attract and keep a girl, then click the video on the screen now. See you next time.